Objective and use case. What you'll build: a hardware-based SPI shift register output tester on the Radiona ULX3S that drives an external 74HC595 IC and LED bar. This dedicated testing tool generates reliable SPI test patterns to verify external component integrity and isolate physical hardware faults from firmware bugs. Why it matters, divided by use cases. PCB Assembly Validation. Test custom boards to ensure all 74HC595 pins are correctly soldered without shorts or bridges. Component integrity checking. Verify that a batch of shift register ICs is fully functional before soldering them into a final product. SPI Signal Debugging. Provide a continuous, predictable SPI master signal, MOSI SCTACS at known frequencies, e.g. 1 to 10 MHz, to calibrate oscilloscopes or logic analyzers. Automated burn-in. Run continuous alternating bit patterns on external LED matrix modules to test long-term hardware stability. Audience: hardware engineers, FPGA developers, and PCB designers. Level: intermediate.
Would you like to really get electronics, computer science, and AI without drowning in endless theory? At prometeo.blog, you learn by actually building and coding. Every week, we publish concise micro-tutorials, technical comparisons, and product overviews to help you decide what to buy and how to use it. But the real gem is our practical cases. Very detailed guides that take you from the bill of materials all the way to final validation. You'll design and test circuits with analog components like resistors, diodes, transistors, capacitors, inductors, relays, and transformers, and with digital logic like AND, OR, NOT, NAND gates, etc. You'll build projects with FPGA, Raspberry Pi, Arduino, ESP32 or Jetson, and even the UGV robot. Everything is step-by-step, exact commands, ready-to-run code, wiring guides, real electrical schematics, SPICE net lists with real simulation plots, troubleshooting guides, upgrades, and much more. All our posts are available in both Spanish and English. At the end of each article, you'll find a short quiz so you can quickly check what you've learned. You also get your own private Prometeo ChatGPT tutor, specialized in electronics, computer science, and AI, with precise knowledge of all the content on the blog. Point. If you really want to learn by doing, advancing one project at a time. Head over to prometeo.blog and get started today.